Listen to it. Isn't it beautiful? Another glorious day out in the garden, guys. Just listen to those birds chirp. Look at all the greenery. Check out the bunnies doing their bunny thing, grazing. Just wanted to share this moment with you guys because it's beautiful out in the urban garden today. I'm enjoying the birds chirping. I'm enjoying the bunnies at play. And I'm enjoying just being out here. The greenery, the birds chirping, the bunnies. It's awesome. So you guys just have a blessed day. Stay happy. Keep lifted. You know, the Happy Cultivator's motto. Keep happy. Stay stoned. An urban garden, Canna Fam.